Hi guys, okay, so it just finished raining, so the kids are tired of the house inside, so they're gonna play touchers for a while. So yeah, let's get them out of the house for a while. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready? Okay, let's do this. What is it? Butterfly. Let's see.
Oh, it's a more.
Wow.
It's okay.
Wow. Yo. Nice. Okay.
It's going my hair. Come out. Come out. Ah!
Are you tired?
My boobs.
No, man. You just started. Like 3 minutes ago. 2 minutes.
Kijk, mama. Ik kan het opwerken. Mama. Kijk hier. Mama.
What's wrong?
Dis 'n oysterhond.
What's wrong?
Wat jy raak.
What? Oh, the dog. The neighbor's dog. And there's my cat. Shame. Lizzie! Hello, Baba.
Mama nee. Nee.
Lizzie! Hello! Okay, go, 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 go! Hey! Ay, ay, ay. Unfit, you are unfit. Hello, Baba. Hello, Baba. Hello. Hello, Baba. Come, guys. What's wrong? Okay, so you don't know your house. Are you tired? Are you satisfied?
I'm going for McDonald's.
McDonald's. Okay.
We're gonna eat McDonald's. I will show you guys
Lekker.
when we're gonna eat McDonald's.
Are you tired?
Ja.
Huh?
Ja.
Ach, shy Marlene. Okay. Let's go look for the butterfly. Say bye.
As to
Bye.